Boosters, this is a tutorial on how to use your EMAs to profit from the market. This strategy, I call it the dual strategy because it involves just two EMAs and you can really profit from it if you use it correctly. So first of all, you're going to need to insert your two moving averages. Settings should be 10 and 20. I'm going to just recolor my moving averages just so it's more visible. Going to use green and yellow. Going to use blue and yellow actually. I'm going to use a darker blue. That works. That works well. Cool. All right, let's get started. It is a very simple strategy, works on the 15 minutes time frame. Now I'm going to make this very clear, right? Make sure to incorporate it with any other strategy that you have. You can add other confluences, but this strategy is essentially it's a trend trading strategy, and it is meant for you to catch moving trends. So how does it work? So whenever price crosses over, actually let me say it this way: whenever the EMAs cross over, in other words, whenever these two meet and then they cross over, as you can see before, let me give an example. All right, this has been an uptrend for some time, so it's hard to. All right, cool. As you can see right now, what's happening here is this blue EMA is above price right here. That means you should be looking for sells, and as you can see, this yellow EMA is above price at the moment. That means there was a crossover. But anyway, so essentially you're looking for a crossover between these two EMAs. Whenever you get a crossover like such, you're looking for buys. And whenever you get a crossover and the yellow EMA is above price, you're looking for sells. Whenever the yellow EMA is below price, you're looking for buys. This was a perfect entry. There was a crossover. The yellow EMA was below price, looking for a nice buy. And as you can see, that could have been a nice trade right there underneath these lows, and you're going to target these highs. I would say target this zone over here. So that was going to be a nice trade for you to take. It is that simple. Like I told you guys, this is called the dual strategy because it involves two EMAs. Make sure to incorporate it with other strategies that you know. And yeah, man, good luck with the strategy. Comment below if you need help, and I'll be happy to help you.